What if I told you that you can make the most fudgy, crackly, crinkle-top brownies without condensed milk, without flax seeds, and without any fancy egg replacers? Hi, I'm a pastry chef, which means I know exactly how to make the best eggless brownies from scratch. These are gooey, fudgy, intensely chocolatey, and have that beautiful paper-thin crust on top. Let's get right into it. First, we take good quality dark chocolate. Always use 50% or more cocoa. Don't compromise here. Now to this, add unsalted butter. I always use unsalted butter because I like to control the amount of salt in the recipe. Microwave this in 10-second interval, stirring after every interval. Do not rush this. Once melted, it should look smooth, glossy, and completely lump-free. In a separate bowl, take hot boiling full-fat milk. Now add brown sugar to this. Brown sugar contains molasses. That molasses adds moisture, chewiness, and depth. Now add in powdered sugar. Powdered sugar dissolves quickly and helps create that shiny crinkled top. Now mix this really well until the sugar is completely dissolved. If your sugar isn't dissolved properly, you won't get that crinkle top. Now put this warm milk sugar mixture into your melted chocolate butter mixture. Whisk gently until everything is smooth and glossy. Now let's move to our dry ingredients. First, add in all-purpose flour. Flour provides structure. Without eggs, flour becomes even more important because it helps bind everything together. Next, we'll add in Dutch processed cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed because it's less acidic, darker in color, and gives a deeper, smoother chocolate flavor. Next, we'll add in cornstarch. Cornstarch makes the brownies softer and more tender. It reduces gluten formation, keeping the texture fudgy instead of tough. Gently fold all of this together. Do not overmix. Do not aggressively whisk. Gentle folds until you no longer see flour. Take a 6 by 6 inch pan. Line it properly with parchment paper. Please do not just grease your pan with butter like regular cakes. Brownies have high chocolate and sugar content and they stick easily. Parchment paper ensures clean removal and clean edges. Pour the batter, spread it evenly, add extra chocolate chunks if you'd like. Let the batter sit in the pan for about 10 minutes. At the same time, start preheating your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once they're out of the oven, let the brownies cool at room temperature for 30 minutes and that's it. Your eggless brownies, no condensed milk, no flax seeds, no weird substitutes, just pure chocolate magic. The fudgy, gooey, they have chocolate in every single bite and that shiny crinkly top, absolutely perfect. If you enjoyed this recipe, comment below and tell me what should I make next, what do you want to learn, and I'll post it soon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.